morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are fine and continue your study. I have given some practice question of previous video. I hope you are completed. Children, if you have any doubt in practice question, you should ask without any hesitation in a comment box. So today I am going to do problem solving based on LCM and SCM on page number 64 of chapter number 6. So let us start. Chapter number 6, characters and multiples. On page number 64. Question number 1. You can take your textbook and read the question first on page number 64. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. That is, it means you have to find the greatest number which divides 825, 675 and 450. That is, you have to find the LCM of these numbers. And that will be the longest tape, that will be the length of longest tape which can measure all three dimensions respectively. So now come on, you can write the statement anyway. The length, breadth and height of the room are given. The length of the room is given 825 cm. Is given 825 centimeter. And the breadth of that room 675 centimeters. And height of a room is given 450 centimeters. Here asked to find the longest tape. You will write the length of longest tape, hence the length of longest tape which can measure the three dimensions, which can measures measure the three dimensions. The three dimensions of the room. Of the room exactly. Is the axiom of the HCF of 825, 675 and 450. So in this question we have to find the HCF of these numbers. So you can use any method to find the HCF. I will use here common factors method, that is by prime factorization method. So now what if I will use here prime factorization method. So 825. First we have to do prime factorization of these numbers. You see here, once place is 5, divided by 5, or you can check by 3. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3. So this number is also divided by 3. So divide it by 3. 3 to 6. 2, 22, 3, 7, 21, and 3, 5, 15. 7 to 9, 5, 14. This is number 9 by 3, divided by 5. 5, 5 is 25, and 5, 5 is 25. This is again divided by 5, and this is 11 to prime number divided by itself. Now, 7 and 675. This is also divided by 3. 3 5 15, and again divided by 3. This is 21. 3 5 15, and this again divided by 3. 3 6. 3 5 15, and 25 divided by 5. 5 5 and 5, and prime factorization of 450. Divided by 2, 2 ja, 2 5 ja, and see divided by 3, 3 7 ja, 3 5 ja, again by 3, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, and this 5 ja, and 5. Now after that you get prime factorization of 25. This will be 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 11, and 675. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, and 450. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 times 5, 2 times 3, 5. 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 5. Yes, correct. Then I have to select the common factors. HCF here 1 pair at least is common, and 2 pair of 5 is common. So HCF 3 multiply 5 multiply 5, that is 75, and the length of 8, hence the length the length of the longest, you can write of the longest tail equal to 75 centimeters. So this will be answer 75 centimeters. Now after that here, second one. Now come on here, second one. Let us read the question. In a watch shop, there are 3 clocks which ring at intervals 15, 20 and 30 minutes respectively. They are linked together at 12 noon. At what time will they are linked together again? That is, first you find a number which is first you find the least number which is divided by 15, 20 and 30. That is, in this case, we have to find the LCM of 15, 20 and 30 minutes. And if you find the LCM of these numbers by any method, this LCM will be 60 minutes. And here saying all the ring, first time ring, all the clock, first time ring at 12 noon. Then next time all clocks will ring together after 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes from 12 noon it will be 1 p.m. So answer will be 1 p.m. That is, the second time they will ring together at 1 p.m. So now come on. Question number second. Statement you can write anyway. We have to find the LCM only 15, 20 and 30 minutes. Here LCM of 15, 20 and 30 minutes. We have to find the LCM by any method. I am going to do here by using common division method. So 3 after 15, this number is started by 3, so 20 should be taken as 21 and this should be by 3. 5 is divided by 5, 5 to the 5, 5 to the 20, 5 to the 10. And see both numbers divided by 2, 1, 2 to the 1. Again by 2, 1, 1 and so LCM, here LCM should actually be 5 into 2 into 2. Take the 5 into 2. I can write here LCM is equal 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. We got the 50, into the 30 to the 60. So LCM will be 60 minutes. So after that you can write they are linked together. At what time will they are linked together again? Hence you can write hence they will ring all together after 60 minutes. After 60 minutes from 12 minutes. That is at 1 p.m. So answer is 1 p.m. Here you should write answer clearly 1 p.m. So I hope you understand. I already told you you should write the statement anyway. Your concept should be clear. Here what should be here same or yes here that should be clear. So I hope you understand. And children, how was the video? Please write in comment box. Thank you for watching the video.